This is our first sous vide experiment. I went for the full Monty. Instead of doing a steak, I'm doing a, what am I doing? Tri-tip. And have the Anova sous vide system, the sous vide cooker, and we'll see how it goes. It was set to 130. If you can see that here. And it's going to cook for 5 hours. We're in one of the classic plastic containers. There's a tri-tip in a sealed bag. It has salt, pepper, and some nice barbecue sauce. Next step, we'll put the lid on it. Okay, it's coming up to temperature. So this lid helps to keep the evaporation down. I see that doesn't fit over there. Should put that on to figure out how that works here. For some reason it catches on the bottom of there, so maybe I have to lift that up a little bit. Okay, we'll see what happens. We'll run it upward. We'll be back in 5 hours. Where we left off, we cooked the tri-tip in the sous vide system at 130 degrees. We stopped working on this a while back because we were going to make some spaghetti sauce. So now we're beginning this. I've got to get some of this juice out of here because I put quite a bit of barbecue sauce and so on. So let's see if we can drain this out. Yeah, there's quite a bit of barbecue sauce coming out of there. Now the trick of the recipe says that after you do this, looks like I put a lot of barbecue sauce in here. Let's see. We'll cut this. Okay. Let's see if we can put this back down here. And we'll move this out of the way. Okay, we'll move things around a bit. Let's take the tri-tip out of the bag. Now the next step is to actually put some brown sugar on it and brown it in the oven under the broiler, or put it on the grill, which would then give it a little bit of char on the outside, which is of course going to give you much more flavor than what we've got right now. So that next step will probably happen tomorrow. I don't think I'm going to do that tonight. They're going to put this back in another bag, put it in the fridge, and tomorrow this is going to go on the grill, and we're going to sear the outside of this beautiful piece of meat, which is cooked all the way through. Of course, I keep putting my hands in front of the light. Cooked all the way through. And we'll be able to see how that looks tomorrow. But as you can see, it's looking kind of really good here. This is a nice piece of tri-tip that I bought today at Vaughn's. So, okay, that's it for tonight. And tomorrow we'll pick this up in the daytime, and we'll see how it looks. Can't wait to taste it. It smells really good, and hopefully it's going to taste fantastic. Okay, thanks for watching, and stand by. We'll be back tomorrow with part 3, where we actually get to brown off the meat and put it together and serve it up for dinner. We have the meat. It's ready to go. Go ahead and take a look at that right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to put it on the barbecue. It's burning hot. I'm going to put a little bit of sauce. Oh, this got overheated here. Sauce a little overheated. Put some of that in there. Pick up the meat. Put it on the grill, and we're going to burn it up. shot here. Oh baby, oh baby. Let's get some on this side. Barbecue sauce on here. Turn this around. Try to get the ends there. On this side. Yep, we're burning it up here. So we get you around here a little bit. Okay. Try to get some there. Yeah, I think we got this, baby. I think we got this. All right. Let's shut these guys off. Plenty of smoke. It looks good there. All right, we're gonna bring it inside. Meanwhile, the camera's getting smoky. All right, we got the meat on the platter. We need a fork and cut this baby. Corn's in the bowl. Potatoes on the table. I cut it left-handed. Oh, ho 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 ho. Ho 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 ho. Ho ho ho. All right, so we make it thick or thin cuts? Thin cuts. All right, thin cuts. All right. Serving up the piece. Who's first? Who's the guinea pig? Mom?
Beautiful. Okay. Really good.
Good.
Nice and tender. Tasty, flavorful. Yum. Did a good job.
Thank you. How do we rate the experience with the sous vide system? Well, that was kind of fun. It was my first experience using the sous vide system. It stretched from a Saturday to a Monday. We were supposed to have it Saturday night. No one was available. We switched to having it Sunday and no one was available. And then we switched it to Monday night and no one was available. But it was Marianne and Liana, so we enjoyed it. And considering it was my first time using the sous vide system, I think it came out pretty well. Would I recommend you buying a sous vide system? You betcha. I'm looking forward to trying some other cuts of meat, some fish, vegetables, and I've watched the video on how to make soft-boiled eggs, and that looks absolutely fantastic. So thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed, and if you have a sous vide system, share your stories, and maybe we'll have some more information about this process in an upcoming video. Okay, thanks. Have a great night.